Okay, so I'm at the cemetery and I'm going to be testing active track. I've had a couple of plays with this just to get my confidence levels up because they have been a little bit shaky, so to speak. Start recording. Put the quad in the air.
Home point updated.
And draw a box around myself. Let's choose active track. And click on go. Which is now behind me. As you can see, there's a lot of grade markers here. So I'm going to bring the quad round to the side of me there and see how well it copes with all these various stone statues, monument things. Yeah, it's doing well so far, it's avoiding. Now if I move over that side, you'll see the quad it keeps me within a set distance, so I'm going to just move over here like this. And now it's going around the front of me. Just be over there. Tell you what, we'll walk around this way and we'll see whether or not it moves. Avoided those, it should be coming round this way, like so. Okay, let's see how it copes with this four-way thing here, this big four-arch thing. Let's see how it works out. What's it going to do? It's going to go around the back. There's a tree. Oh, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, there we go. Well done, you made it. Okay, let's carry on walking round. It's going to keep up with me again. Lots of trees behind. So I'm going to make it go towards the trees by walking like this. And keep my eye on it. Even though I've done this a couple of times, it's still slightly nerve-wracking. I know it works. As I said, I've played with it twice before. I didn't have the new DJI Action Osmo 3 attached to my head at the time, so I thought I'll come out and do this again. And at least you can see what the quad is doing in relation to the active track function at the same time as seeing the display on the screen. Okay, there's a lot of trees coming up here now, as you can see ahead of me there. Just going to keep coming around here like this. Let's see how well it copes with these trees. Oops, decided to come in front of there for some reason. Okay, trees coming up. Is it going to see the trees? I don't like trees. I've seen too many quads crash into trees in the past. That's doing well so far. There we go. Right, I'm going to put it in front of me. Like so. I'm going to send it up a little bit higher. There we go. So it's ahead of me now. It's doing well. It's a very quiet, calm day today. There's not much wind. So it's doing really well. Let's put it on the other side over there. And I'm going to bring it down, because I do like it being further down. Oops. Yeah, if you swipe left on the screen, it thinks you've gone out the app. But it's alright, it's following me again now. Still following. Doesn't lose sight of me, it's great. Oh, where's it gone? There it is. It's doing its best. Going round that one there. That's doing really well, that. Let's put it on the other side of me by going behind me. Like so. Right, on this side here for me. There's some nice trees here. Want to see if it can avoid. Oh, working out where it's going. I've got to give DJI the due, you know. They do absolutely do brilliant stuff. Been a big fan of DJI for years. I've owned Phantoms, Mavics, Sparks, of course the original Mini 1, the Mini 2, Mini 3 and so on. Still following me nicely through the gaps. It's actually quite phenomenal this. I'm taking this away on holiday. I intend to do some beach walks. I can imagine what the footage is going to look like. Just wish you could just have the phone in your hand to control this particular function. So you're just holding the phone rather than the controller like this. Okay, let's take a walk over here. Move that round to the side of me again. We'll put it on that side for a bit. You go round that side. You've lost, haven't you? You got lost, haven't you? Okay, he's got a bit confused. It should be on the left side of me, but for some reason it can't make its mind up where it wants to go. Slowly. There we go, now it's on the right side of me. Okay, let's finish, have a walk around here. Some more low grey markers. Okay, let's bring it back round to here because there's some trees. Oh, there you go, wasn't sure what it was doing again then. There we go. Oh, there's a man coming with a dog. Let me just pause for a second. Let this man walk past. Morning, sir. Okay, so there's all these trees here. How are you going to cope? How are you going to cope with these low-hanging trees? Come behind them. That's good to know. Subject moving too fast. Okay, I'll slow down a little bit then. I can hear a helicopter. Let's put it in front of me. Oh, a nice bit of a dodge. Yes, there's a helicopter somewhere. It's okay because I'm only at, what, 10 feet. Looks like the police one. Continue walking down here. Oh, sorry, camera's a bit shaky. I do need a new mount of some sort for it. So that's it. That is the DJI Active Track in a cemetery. I think it's actually rather neat, that, you know. It really is. Let me just stop that there. Take off the X. So yeah, if you're planning on wanting to buy a Mp4, if you want to play with the Active Track, I think it's done really well to avoid these sort of things. Actually, you know what? We won't finish yet because let me just go back. There is a nice building just over that side there. Let's see how it copes with me walking around there. Let's go back. Curious as to how it will cope with me going around there. Active Track. Go. I'm going to walk around here like this and see whether it comes around the front of me. Oh, sorry, it's set to go behind me, isn't it? So let's bring it in front of me. I'm going to walk towards this building here. Ooh, nicely dodged. Let's walk over here and then take it to the side and see how it reacts with that building being there. I'm going to just make it. Can I force it to go towards the building anymore? Oh, it's definitely staying away from the building. Yeah, there we go. I did really well. Say there. Right, that's it then, definitely. Getting that strong environmental issue. But otherwise, that's it. Yeah, if you want to buy a Mp4, if you like the Active Track, done really well in this cemetery to avoid all these grave markers and stuff. That's it. I'm going to go now and get myself some breakfast.